Ever stared at your budget, wondering if there's an easier way to keep tabs on those sneaky credit card transactions? You're not alone. Managing money can feel like a constant juggling act, especially when multiple credit cards are in the mix. So, the big question on many minds is, does YNAB, that budgeting software everyone's talking about, actually connect to your credit cards? Let's dive in and clear up the confusion. YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, operates on a slightly different philosophy than some other budgeting apps. Instead of solely relying on automated imports, YNAB encourages a more hands-on approach to budgeting. At its core, YNAB is about assigning every dollar a job. This means you proactively decide where your money will go before you spend it. Now, back to the credit card connection question. The short answer is yes, YNAB can connect to your credit card accounts. This feature allows for automatic transaction imports, which can definitely save you time and reduce the manual data entry. Imagine not having to type in every single coffee purchase or online shopping spree. However, it's crucial to understand how YNAB uses this connection. Unlike some apps that might categorize transactions for you or make assumptions about your spending, YNAB treats imported credit card transactions as just that, transactions. They still need your attention to be properly categorized and assigned to a budget category. This is where YNAB's core principle of actively managing your money comes into play. Think of the connection as a helpful assistant, bringing your financial data to your doorstep. But you're still the one who unpacks the groceries and puts them away. YNAB doesn't automatically decide that your restaurant bill should come out of your dining out category. You need to tell it that. This might sound like extra work, but it's actually a key part of YNAB's methodology. By actively categorizing each transaction, you become more aware of where your money is going. This increased awareness can lead to better spending habits and help you achieve your financial goals faster. So, while the convenience of automatic imports is there, it's not a passive process. You'll still need to regularly review your imported transactions and ensure they're correctly categorized. This active involvement is what sets YNAB apart and makes it a powerful tool for gaining control of your finances. Beyond just importing transactions, YNAB also helps you manage your credit card debt effectively. It encourages you to budget for your credit card payments and understand the true cost of your spending. The software provides tools to help you pay down your balances strategically and break the cycle of debt. Connecting your credit cards to YNAB can streamline your budgeting process by eliminating manual entry. It provides a clear picture of your spending as it happens, making it easier to stay on track with your budget. Just remember that the connection is a tool to aid your active budgeting, not a replacement for it. You still hold the reins when it comes to deciding where your money goes. Ultimately, the ability to connect your credit cards to YNAB offers a blend of convenience and control. It simplifies the process of tracking your spending while still requiring your active participation in managing your budget. This combination is what makes YNAB a valuable asset for anyone serious about taking control of their financial future. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.